Good morning, but it's not very early here. It's just that I am cold. Since I came back from Nigeria, my body system is not really adjusting to the weather here. Why this house is very dark. The lighting is poor, but all the same. Hey fam, so I'm done taking my shower. Go and have my breakfast. Yes, we are eating get oil. See, this exercise is really good. I'm feeling good this morning. It's not morning again, no. This is afternoon. This is 12:42. 12:42 p.m. Okay, my bagel is already it's ready. My egg is doing good here. Yes, I have my egg seasoned with parsley, bell pepper. Philippines, their food. Boiled my beans. I'll be cooking beans today too. Yeah, so my clothes, even the one I use for exercise, and yeah, I want to wash them. my towels. In fact, all the housewares, I want to wash them. So I'll put them inside the machine now before leaving, before going, so that they'll be washing, because it takes 40 to 30 something minutes. See, I dropped some things there already before already washed. So we sort them, the colored ones, we wash it different than the white.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
Alright, so we bought some washing materials from Costco, but we are not at Walmart here for milk. And this guy's Accra, this Accra. Okay. Okay. That's your quick kill. So that's your quick kill. Okay. Okay. I think I'll be on each other. Okay, you get check. I'm through here cleaning my nails. Nail polish. Hi people, thank you so much everyone for watching up to this time. So we cooked already. I have rice and sweet potato plantain, and I have rice and beans here, and we have steamed vegetable for the dinner. So yeah, I also grilled some chicken, steamed chicken. Yeah, everything is set and ready for today. Hope you enjoyed my vlog today. This is a home vlog, spending the whole day with me. And now is dinner, and dinner is also ready. I want to appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, okay? Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.